Today, we're going to do a meditation working with the thinking mind and thoughts. Using the breath as our anchor. So let's close our eyes and settle into a comfortable meditation posture. And remember that your posture is personal. You don't need to sit in any specific way. I like to invite in some alertness into the body with the inhale, taking a big breath in and reaching up, and some relaxation as you exhale, allowing the muscles in the shoulders and the belly to soften. And we'll start with just a couple minutes of mindfulness of breathing. So pick a spot in the body where you can feel the breath naturally, the sensations of breathing, the physical experience of the breath. The tip of the nose, the chest, the abdomen. And remember that you don't need to pin your concentration or focus down here. You don't need to stress or strain. You can imagine resting your attention here, placing it gently onto this point in the body. And seeing if you can touch the actual way it feels to breathe, not our concepts of the breath or our stories or thoughts about it in this moment, the way it actually feels. And you can offer some simple noting like in and out or rise and fall. Seeing if you can collect your attention onto the breath without straining, without too much force. When the mind wanders off onto whatever, just bringing it back as many times as you need to. Bringing it back with some gentleness, some patience, recollecting your attention onto this point in the body. And to incorporate the thinking mind a little bit, instead of just bringing our attention back, when thoughts arise, especially ones that hook you in or kind of pull you off the breath, you can note what type of thinking it is. Just one word: planning, analyzing, ruminating, daydreaming, and then come back to the breath. In this way, we note what's happening and recognize what the mind is doing, have some mindfulness of the thoughts, and we come back to the breath. We're staying in the present moment, really, by noticing the thoughts that are arising in the present moment. So you can rest with the breath and in and out or rise and fall. And when a thought arises, just labeling it and letting go of it, coming back to the breath. You don't need to find the perfect label. Use whatever is true or feels right to you. Recognizing whatever thoughts arise into your experience without judgment, without needing to change them, whatever's present for you. Hi, I'm Matthew. I want to invite you to our Introduction to Mindfulness mini course. It's free, it's a week long, and it contains talks and meditation practices to help you understand exactly what mindfulness is and how you can get started on your path. To learn more and sign up, you can click the link right here.